Hello everybody, my name is David Fierstein. I'm the owner of Power Call Sirens, the Fierstein brand. Today we have a refurbished X71 that has the Power Call tone only on it, does not have the secondary tone. This unit has actually been discontinued as of March of 2019 as we create the newer version of the X71 for 2019. This is definitely one of our working refurbished units. It is $110. It is available on our website by clicking the link in the bottom description. It has a 90-day warranty on the working tone of the siren, and it sounds something like this. This sale comes with the Power Call box, a switch, and a wiring harness. It's actually a wiring bundle. Once again, if you're interested in this, it's $110. There is only one right now. It is available on our website by clicking the link in the description below. If you are interested, go to our website and you can purchase this, and it is a first come, first serve unit. Have a great evening.